Whether you're spending Valentine's Day with a loved one or Galentine's Day with your gal pals, a charcuterie is a sweet treat. The charcuterie board. Traditionally, this food board is made up of nuts, fruit, cheeses, and meats, but it's a food sensation that has captivated the world. And now it's to the point where if you can eat it, it's probably been on a board. So today we're going to say goodbye to the charcuterie board and hello to charcuterie. So why charcuterie? Well, charcuterie is going to give you portion control and is also going to prevent your old aunt from sneezing all over the food. To make the charcuterie, you'll need some small jars, some ribbon. I like the wired ribbon for bow making, jelly hearts, Oreos, assorted chocolate hearts, milk chocolate and dark chocolate, or if you prefer all milk chocolate, omit the dark chocolate. If you prefer all dark chocolate, skip the milk chocolate. M&Ms, plain, and peanut. Toothpicks, little chalkboard picks if you want to put names on them, and some Hershey Kisses. I like the chocolate lava flavor.
Tie a bow around the jar.
Take 6 milk chocolate hearts or 6 dark chocolate if you're using all dark chocolate. And 6 is the number that fits in this jar. Depending on the size jar you're using, you may need more or less. And well, take these hearts and stand them up along the edge. To hold the hearts in place, take 2 tablespoons of peanut M&Ms, which is approximately 12 M&Ms.
And put them in the center.
Next, take 6 of the dark chocolate hearts or 6 more milk chocolate if that's what you're using, and line them along the side of the jar on top of the other hearts. To hold the second row of hearts in place, we'll take 2 Oreos and put those in the center. Take a 1/4 cup of the plain M&Ms and pour them over the Oreos.
Set the jar aside.
Take an Oreo and poke a toothpick through the bottom so we have an Oreo lollipop. We'll add that in.
Write names on chalkboard picks if you're using them.
If you're using the little chalkboard signs, we'll just pop that in.
Set the jar aside.
Take 3 jelly candy hearts and 2 toothpicks. On one toothpick, you'll poke an end into the bottom of the heart. Take the other toothpick and poke it in the bottom of the heart. Be careful because you're going to slide it down, and the last thing you want to do is impale the toothpick on your hand. So if need be, press it on the counter. Take the last heart and put it over the top. Take our single jelly heart and put it in. Take the other 2 jelly hearts and put them on the other side of the Oreo. Top with 4 of the Hershey Kisses. Enjoy your sweet charcuterie.
From my kitchen to you, happy Valentine's Day and happy Galentine's Day. For the perfect Valentine celebration, pair with a bottle of Hampton Water Rosé. Check out In Pam's Kitchen on Instagram.